King Piers out here in Grain Valley. Just shot a video a second ago. We forgot to shoot the raise. These 3 steps here is one solid piece of concrete. There's no footing under it or anything. And over the years, this house is they've held up fine. But we've had a couple of droughts here in the past 5 years, and it's affected it. So essentially, Marvin called me because we did a house right behind him for Sarah, lifting her stairs and renovating her stairs and painting them and making them beautiful, which we're going to do the same for Marvin on next week. But these stairs were down about 4 inches, and with 2 King Piers, one on each side, we raised it back up to where it's perfect. Marvin, are your stairs perfect?
Perfect.
Yeah. So anyway, for all your foundation repair needs, give us a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.